Hello, how are you doing? You are welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Uhawe ikaze hano, niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe n'ubuntu kuri wowe, ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane kubikora. I love you, ndabakunda cyane. Muri kumwe na mwarimu Faustin, welcome. What do you think of this place? Aha hantu urahabona ute? It's a very good place. Ni ahantu heza cyane. Can I walk you for home? Nkuherekeze imuhira. I want to walk alone. Ndashaka kugenda njyenyine. Can I walk you home? Your home? Nkuherekeze imuhira. I want to walk alone. Nshaka kugenda njyenyine. When can I see you again? Nzongera kukubona ryari? You have my number. Call me sometime. Ufite nimero yanjye, uzampamagare. What will you be doing this evening? Uraza kuba uri gukora iki uyu mugoroba? I will go in evening service. Ndajya mu materaniro y'umugoroba. Ndajya muri gahunda z'umugoroba. I will go in evening service. When can I see you again? Nzongera kukubona ryari? Hano ni ukukubaza igihe tuzongera guhura, kubonana mu zindi serivisi zitandukanye. Have you been waiting along? Umaze igihe kirekire utegereje. Have you been waiting long? Umaze igihe kirekire utegereje. I have been here since morning. Narindi hano kuva mu gitondo. Do you know what time is it? Uzi aho igihe kigeze? It's almost 3. Ni nko mu masaa 9. It's almost 3. Ni nka saa 9. Mwibuke gukanda subscribe, mukore like na share kugira ngo bikwire abantu benshi, tugumye tubane twihugura mu rurimi rw'icyongereza n'ikinyarwanda. Nge turi kumwe ndi mwarimu Faustin. Can you put the light on? Ese ushobora gucana itara? Yeah, no problem. Yego, nta kibazo. Do you want to watch a movie? Ushaka kureba filime? Do you want to watch a movie? Urashaka kureba filimi? No, I prefer football. Oya, ndashaka kwirebera umupira w'amaguru. No, I prefer football. Oya, mpisemo kureba umupira w'amaguru. Mahitamo. I prefer. Mpisemo. Icyo mpisemo. To prefer no guhitamo, no gucuzinga. Can you put the light on? Ese washana itara? Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Urashaka ko igihe kimwe nzajya kugufatira kamwe? That's a good idea. Icyo gitekerezo ni inyamibwa, ni cyiza cyane. Would you like to join me for a coffee? Wanyiyungaho tugasangira agakawa? Sounds great. Ndumva ari sawa, uvuga neza. Sounds great. Ndumva uvuga neza cyane. Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Urashaka ko igihe kimwe nzajya kugufatira kano? That's a good idea. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane, ndabashimiye. Mwibuke gukanda subscribe. Nge nari Teacher Faustin. Thank you so much.